Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will teach you how to play Don't Know What to Say by Ric Segreto on a ukulele. So first, grab your ukulele and tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So let's have first the intro. So intro na chords D, then G, D, and G. So paulit-ulit lang yan. Then ang strumming pattern nito ay down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, up. Then sa verse ay D, then G, D, G, then C sharp minor, then D, then G, then pagkatapos ay A. I love you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time to feel this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romance, is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play. Words on the lines until you know what to say. To say. Then for the chorus is G, A, G, then F sharp minor, then B minor, then A, G, A, then B minor, then A. Then sa last part after ng B minor ay G, then papasok na yan sa second verse. What to say? Then after the second verse ay balik naman sa chorus, and sa after ng chorus sa last part ay B minor, G at A, pabalik-balik lang yan, B minor, G, A, and pinaka-last na chord ay B minor. What to say? Don't know what to do, what do you want? Don't know what to say, my heart's floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute and second of the day, dream of you in the most special way. You're inside me all the time. So, yun lang naman ang mga chord progressions na ginamit sa kanta. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video. Panonood!